Hello guys, in this video we will see how we can install MySQL on a computer. So simply open any of your browser and type MySQL. After this, click on the topmost link MySQL and then go in the download section and here scroll down and then click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. After this, click on MySQL installer for Windows. And here at the top you can see MySQL installer 8.0.26. So this is the version of the MySQL installer and you have to download the bottom file. Its size is 450 MB and here you don't need to log in and sign up, just click on no thanks and your downloading will be started. Now our downloading is complete, so we will click on it to install it. Here we have to select the setup type. Like in developer default, we will have MySQL shell, server, workbench. In server only, we will install only server. In client only, we will have shell, router, workbench. In full, you will install each and everything. And custom, we can select manually all the things which want to install. So we'll select the custom, and in this, we will go in MySQL server MySQL 8.0 and then we will select the topmost version 8.0.26 and then drag it in the right side. After this we will go in applications and in this we will select the MySQL workbench and then we will select the topmost version and drag it. After this we need to download one more thing, MySQL shell. So simply select its latest version and then drag it. After this we will click on next button and here you can see all these things are ready to install, so click on execute. And here one more thing I want to say, that in your computer it might happen that it may require Microsoft Visual C++, so you will have to install that and after that only your installation will start. Like in my case, it was already installed, so there was no problem. And after this click on next button and there's product configuration, click on next button. Here is type and networking, you don't need to change anything, so just click on next. After this there's authentication method, click on next button and here you have to create a password for a root account. Here root means simply admin, so create any password of your choice. After this, at lower side you can see there is the option add user. Here we can add any user account, simply type his name and then here you can select his role. There's a list, you can select any of these role and then host type and then at bottom you can type the password. Right now we are not interested in it, so we will close it and click next. After this we will again click next and here you can see the apply configuration. These all are the configuration steps, so simply click on execute and these all steps are being executed now. Now all steps are executed, so we will click on finish. There is a product configuration, it is complete. Click on next. And now before clicking on the finish, go in your my computer and then open your drive and go in the folder program files. Here you can see a folder MySQL, to open it, and in these three open MySQL server, then open the bin folder, and after this just copy the path of this bin folder. After copying the path, go in your search bar and type environment, then click on the edit the system environment variables, and then click on environment variables. After this, in these system variables, here you can see there is a path variable called path, so click on edit, and after that new, and in this new paste the path which we have copied earlier, and then close all the tabs. After all this, click on the finish button, and here you see MySQL cell has been opened. So minimize it now and go in your search bar and type cmd command prompt. After opening this, here the MySQL workbench is also opened, so minimize it for now, and in the command prompt type mysql space hyphen u space root space hyphen p, and then enter the password which you have created earlier. After this, press enter, and you can see welcome to MySQL monitor, and all this will be printed. Now here we will see a database, so simply type show databases and then press enter, and you can see all your information of the database. Now we will add something in a database, so type create database, and then I will store a name Suraj in the database, and here it is written query OK, means it is successfully done. So again type show databases, and here you can see that Suraj is stored in the database. So MySQL is completely installed on a computer and it is working successfully. Now just open the workbench, MySQL workbench, and here click at the bottom and just type the password which you have created earlier on. And here you see MySQL workbench is open, and now it is ready to work in your PC.